Good morning, all the participants, 303 participants across the nation who have attended this the BOSS Linux Systems workshop. I am very happy to state that the program, which is I am observing this continuous sequence of the videos which has been disseminated to all the participants and their learning and learning outcome. When I was going through the one of the report of created by a professor called as a Dr. Rangankar from Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Paloti Engineering College, Nagpur. He has written these reports very nicely, very systematically, and his learning outcome was exemplified very systematically. In a day 3 that all the participants have learned, what he has been depicted, it has been depicted into this particular report, which was with respect to the file attributes, the understanding about the piping and understanding about the processes. So you have, I know that you have learned about the various attributes into the file for changing the file, giving the permission to the file, ownership of the files, and creating the hard and soft links with respect to the file. Understanding as far as this piping is concerned, you have already understood that how to stream the files, and what do you mean by the how to connect those two processes with respect to the piping commands, and various processes, description of the processes, cell processes, as well as spawning of the processes, specifically loading the process and executing the process. You have understood very clearly. Now today whatever you are going to learn as far as this three important tasks. As far as first number 1 task is your as far as the setting the environment into your terminal. As far as this Linux system is concerned, BOSS Linux system. Second is your how to administration, how to do the administration, how to create the file, how to create the ID, user ID, password, giving the rights to the password, changing the password, switching the password. All these administrative steps you will be learning. And you will be also learning how to use the various kind of the filters, how to order this or sorting these various processes, or listing the various commands, deleting the commands, ordering the commands, sequencing the commands that you are going to learn into the filtering. And specifically as far as the setting the commands is concerned, you know that Linux system is very case sensitive, and that's why most of the commands are written as a lowercase sensitive. And as far as the environment is concerned, shell scripting and variable defining is very important as far as the bash shell is concerned, because bash shell specifically, which is considered and spelling out as far as this command language interpretation, and shell is generally used for executing the various programs which has been localized into your system. And you know that how to get the history of the commands. You have to write the history and then you will get the history of the commands what has been executed. As far as the setting the path and directory, that is also learned into the, as far as this environment is concerned. And ultimately aliasing of the various the files and designating the files. If you would like to change the name of the files, that anyway you are going to learn into this as far as the setting the environment is concerned. So consolidated 3 important things that you are going to learn: setting the environment, doing the small administrative task, and giving the understanding this filtering process. Perhaps this day will be the one of the best day. Again, as far as the day 4, I wish you all the best, all the participants from DYPCOE College of Engineering, Dr. Vijay Vadai. I give all the best to all the participants, as well as Professor Aarti Gaikwad and Pramod. You please see that all are learning at their own pace, and they are pacing, they are understanding, they are evaluating, solving the various kind of the quizzes so that they understand thoroughly, and which should be depicted into our journal what they are writing on this day also. Best of luck. Have a great day.